Yes, children. In our last video, we have started a new chapter, that is The Last Leaf. The Last Leaf, which was written by O. Henry. O. Henry has written this short story, The Last Leaf, in which the role play has been played by different characters. It is a short story which was published in the year 1907. In this collection, the Trimmed Lamp and the Other Stories. Okay, now first I'll tell you the characters. There are two artists. First one is Johanna, that is Johnsy, and the second character is Sue. Okay, S-U-E. First one is Joanna or Johnsy, and the second character is Sue. Okay, S-U-E, Sue. And the other one is Mr. Behrman. Mr. Behrman. You can see Mr. Behrman. Okay. Now, children, this Mr. Behrman, he was an old fellow artist who is their downstairs neighbor. Okay, now before this chapter, I'll tell you some important points which are there in this very chapter. The Last Leaf, important points are, in this story, The Last Leaf, the author tells us that our positive thoughts work as a remedy for our illness. Okay, if we are positive, it is like a medicine for us. Second point is, Sue and Johnsy were two friends and they shared a small flat together. Okay, then Johnsy suffered from pneumonia. Medicines did not act upon the illness. Then Johnsy thought that she would die with the fall of the last leaf. She thought that as the last leaf will be falling and she will die with the fall of the last leaf on the creeper. Okay. Sue suggested her not to think so and informed an old artist, Behrman, about Johnsy's illness, that she has become ill. Behrman, he painted an artificial leaf on the wall. He painted an artificial leaf on the wall. Though all the leaves have fallen, but Behrman, he has painted an artificial leaf on the wall, which from inside was visible as the real one. Johnsy, when she looked out through the window to whether the last leaf was fallen or not, the leaf was still on the creeper. And she said that the last leaf had become green. The last leaf had become healthy. And hence, it would never fall because it has become green and healthy. Johnsy also started thinking positively. And with this false leaf, she thought that this very leaf is a real leaf, and she took this as a positive attitude, as a positive thinking. There was now, the thoughts were positive there were positive vibes which had come inside her. Johnsy also started thinking positively and started recovering. Slowly started recovering. But on the same night, Behrman, who was the artist who had drawn this very leaf on the wall, He died on the same night due to cold. See, children, who was about to die? Who was not well? Who gave the positive vibes? The person, Behrman, and he only died. But he gave a life to Jauncey. There was some hope which was made in Jauncey. Okay, and this story tells us that if we have positivity in ourselves, if there are positive thoughts within us, our illness will be finished up. It will be like a medicine proven for us. It will be working as a remedy for our illness. Okay, and in this way you can also see that Sue was a true friend, because Sue helped Jauncey to come out from her illness by putting positivity in her, and also by bringing Mr. Behrman for Jauncey's illness. Okay, and you can also see that this last leaf has this very last leaf, which was a false leaf, but it made something, it made the life, it gave again a new life to Jauncey, that is Joanna. It gave a new life, and Joanna was recovered. She again started recovering. She recovered. She lived a life again. These two friends, these two, Joanna and Sue, again, who were sharing the same flat, were living a happy life. Okay, in next video we will have a line to line explanation. All right, thank you.